My dear students, in this video we're going to learn the famous song Hallelujah. That's how it sounds like. Alright, so that's how we do this. The piece is written in C major, but it ends in somehow in A minor, so I would say it's something between. Sometimes it's C major, sometimes it's A minor. But the most important thing, we don't have to play any key signatures, so we got just white keys here to play, yeah, nothing difficult. And yeah, the piece repeats itself 2 times. So we don't have to learn something enormous difficult. Yeah. All right, let's go over to the first line. So we got 6/8 musical meter. So we got 6 8 notes in one bar, and we can see it already in the first bar. We start with the left hand. We start with C, G, C, E, C, B. And the same with A, E, A, C, A, A. And then again, third bar, C, G, C, E, C, B, A, E, A, C, A. And then that's the point where right hand starts to play. And the last bar of the first line. So we got here only quarter notes and 8 notes and only G, so nothing difficult to learn. Let's move over to the second line. That's how the second line sounds like, the first bar. Now I will do it in a slower tempo and eventually with metronome. I would play the second line completely one more time. Alright, now let's move over to the third line. And that's how the third line sounds like. First bar. Alright, so we got here now on the right hand a combination of two notes, so E, C, and the left hand again this chord movings. Yeah, so we started with A minor chord, here we play A, D in the second bar, in the third bar, and here we go to E major, and play here G sharp. It's really important because it's E major, and down to A minor. Alright, now let's move over to the next line. That's now our fifth line. We're holding this A, C, and play with the left hand. I know I'm a bad singer, but still that's how it sounds like. We play here the most famous part. It's hallelujah, hallelujah. Alright, so I would do one more time this for you. So I'll play this line one more time. Follow the bars. Third bar, fourth bar, fifth bar, sixth bar, seventh bar. Alright, and now let's go over to the seventh line. Now I will play first of all the seventh line till the end of the first volta bracket, and that's how it sounds like. Alright, and we got this volta bracket number 1, which means that we have to repeat the whole song one more time from almost beginning. So actually from the third bar of the first line. Yeah, and afterwards, after we repeated it, we are now, you just have to imagine, we repeated already almost all the lines, and now by the second time of playing we land on the seventh line now, so on the last line, and we are playing it again and going over to the, actually it's second volta, I don't know why it's marked as third volta. We're going over to the second volta, so I'm playing again the first bar first of all. That's how we go. So we ended with A minor, then we go up, and here we combine the hands. And then we play this arpeggiated A minor chord with A above. Alright, so that's how we do this. Now I would say, let me play one more time the whole piece for you. Alright, so that's how we do this. Congratulations guys, now you know how to play another famous and beautiful melody on the piano. Let's continue our learning process.